New Balance, New Balance, New Balance. I'm a huge fan of this brand, so that is the reason why I have a lot of sneakers, and this is not an exception. The reason why the box it looks a little bit bad compared to other boxes is because it's the last pair in this size of this model. So that's the reason why I have to purchase it, even though I prefer a better box as I'm a shoe collector. But okay, let's check out with the sneaker. So here I have in my hand a super nice and fancy colorway, which is very essential, very practical for everyone, from the New Balance model 515. So let's have a quick look at the model of this sneaker. Oh my god, from the first look I fell in love instantly. I fell in love instantly from the first look with this model. The reason why is because the structure of this sneaker, it feels super balanced, because you can see that all of the pieces, it stick perfectly together. It still have like the heel and the outsole and the midsole of the classic 574, but it has a mesh layer here, which make this type of model more like ventilating with the air. And the extra like the decorations is made by suede, which is just a slightly different material. Like you can see, this is all black, but every part is a little bit different in material, which make this sneaker in fact very elegant. Like you can see the changes, but the changes is very light compared to any other type of colorful sneaker. And I like the fact that the outsole is in the gum color, which is very trendy and very easy to go with any type of clothes. So let's have a quick look at the inside of the sneaker. Yeah, it's basically a black sneaker, and the insole, yeah, it's a removable insole, which is just basically a plastic material and a very thin insole, just like a New Balance 574, which is not the best insole that I've ever seen, but it is acceptable for this kind of model because the price is really reasonable. And I think besides the 574, you should check out this model because it's super nice. And you can see all of the laces in black also, which in fact make this sneaker very easy to clean. But you should be careful because anyway, the suede material is a little bit vulnerable to like water and to like moist. So you must be careful when using this model, especially avoid to put this type of sneaker on like the corner of your room, but which is untidy. You should put it in a very like tidy cell. Okay, so that is my little reminder about this sneaker. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel, and see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker with more interesting model. Bye bye.